Michael Jordan is leaving NASCAR, is what Michael Jordan would want you to think. Unfortunately, though, it doesn't look like Michael Jordan, Denny Hamlin, 2311, will be racing as chartered teams in NASCAR starting this weekend at Dover, because in their lawsuit today, the court ruled that they don't have the temporary injunction, and according to NASCAR, in the filing that they had, the 2311 and Front Row Motorsports were never actually chartered teams. They were racing as though they were chartered teams and were not actually in possession of the charters. And because of that, NASCAR may be looking to immediately sell or transfer those charters to another entity. Michael Jordan believes that this is evidence of irreparable material harm should NASCAR do this. NASCAR says that this is just a contract dispute, not a monopoly or antitrust suit. And because of that, there's a lot of legalese to look through. I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. But one thing I can tell you is NASCAR's never really lost in court. Even when they banned Curtis Turner for life for trying to form a union, they didn't lose in court. They just realized it was kind of a scumbag move and undid it. Michael Jordan says his long-term commitment to NASCAR is contingent on permanent charters, which would make NASCAR more like the other major sports in America, where you have a franchise fee that guarantees you participation in the league, as well as certain amounts of revenue share from things like league television contracts, ticket sales, merchandise sales, and things of that nature. Remember, NASCAR, IndyCar, and IndyCar are not collectively bargained. NASCAR created the charter agreement based on Formula One's Concord agreement, and the IndyCar series created their charter system based on NASCAR. NASCAR's charter agreement does guarantee you entry into the Daytona 500. IndyCar's doesn't into the Indianapolis 500. Knowing that, and knowing that IndyCar hasn't had any lawsuits against them for their charter agreement, I would imagine that NASCAR is going to win this case. Waiting for the bus now. Went into the mall because I was like, I want a Cheesecake Factory thing. I got a $25 gift card there, but then I was like, no, you know what? I'm going to wait until I get paid next week, and then I'm going to go to Cheesecake Factory next week on like a Saturday, because that will allow me to get more than just $25 worth of Cheesecake Factory. I filed an immediate thermonuclear lawsuit against Niagara Falls, because why does it look like that? Why does it act like that? Why does it do those things? I'm sick and tired of it. I'm filing a thermonuclear lawsuit against NASCAR because NASCAR hasn't finished this lawsuit against 2311 and Front Row yet.